we remain steadfast in our commitment in delivering local news that matters, stories that inspire, enriching the lives of Filipinos in the Philippines and across the globe.
This is your GMA Regional TV. Buong puso para sa Pilipino.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Rise and shine mga kapuso, dungan tang asugda ng adlaw kauban ang inyong #1 morning show all over Mindanao, ang At Home with GMA Regional TV. Good morning, Sarah!
Good morning, Sai, ug sa atong mga kapuso viewers sa tibuok Mindanao. Let's all shine all throughout this week, mga kapuso.
Sakto ka na, Sarah, tungod this morning atong makauban ang tubong Iligan City nga usa na ka-successful news anchor sa Vietnam. Ang istorya likod sa iyang success atong sayron.
And of course, subay sa selebrasyon sa Chinese New Year atong makauban ang usa ka example sa modern Chinoy kinsa usa ka virtual artist and teacher nga si Patrick Chen. And sa Biz Talk, atong makauban si kapuso artist Kim De Leon. Mga kapuso, karong buntaga atong makauban ang usa sa mga cast sa Agimat ng Agila Book 2. Walay lain kundi si kapuso star Kim De Leon. Maayong buntag, Kim, and welcome back dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How's your morning?
Siguro that implies only if magising ako ng morning, no? Pero usually, pagkagising ko, I check my phone to see what's up, kung may updates sa work or sa relatives, ganun. And syempre, I get up and check kung may food. If wala, I'll cook and eat. And then, basically, I'll take a bath and go on with my day. Yeah, so that's it.
For a fresh start this new year, may aabangan kami from you sa Book 2 ng Agimat ng Agila. Please tell us what's your role here.
Yeah, I'm so blessed na nakasama ko sa Book 2 ng Agimat ng Agila. And my role, my character is a young boy named Jumong. Yeah, isa siyang who will end up in Nanay Berta's house. At doon niya mamimit si Gabriel, yan, si Senator Abong Revilla. And doon kumbaga kukup-kupin ako nila, ni Nanay Berta and Kuya Gabriel. And then we will uncover some secrets of the Agimat ng Agila. And Jumong also holds something special, may talisman din siyang hawak. And that will also uncover Jumong's past, especially about his father. And ayun, dun iikot yung story ni Jumong around Nanay Berta and Kuya Gabriel.
Anong mga preparation ang ginawa mo for this series?
Hindi ako masyado nakapag-prepare kasi itong role na to, natanggap ako biglaan lang. It was like a day before the final pa-audition na nila. Pinaread ako, sinabihan ako na may paparead daw sa akin. And yun, surprisingly ako yung natanggap. Kasi parang late na makakast yung sa character na to for Jumong.
So far, Kim, may favorite line ka ba from your character here?
Favorite line? Wala pa kami masyadong nagagawang fighting scenes. Onti pa lang. Wala pa so far. I'll let you know, guys, kung meron na. Tsaka, kapag nag-air na rin, actually excited na rin ako sa mga upcoming scenes pa. Nabasa ko na kasi din yung the rest of the script. Ewan ko kung may kasunod pa yun, pero yeah.
So Kim, kumusta naman ang samahan nyo sa set with the rest of the cast?
Actually, ang kasama ko palagi sa eksena is si Miss Elizabeth Oropesa. And she treats me well. Sobrang bait niya sa akin. Ginaguide niya ako and parang in-encourage niya ako if yung good ba yung ginawa ko or what. So nagbibigay din siya ng mga pointers. And speaking of pointers, si Senator Bong, syempre, ayun, napaka hands-on niya sa mga co-artists niya. And of course, Miss Ania Lopez and Miss Universe Rabia Mateo, napakabait din. Bukod sa magaganda from the outside, sa loob magaganda rin. Super friendly, super approachable. And ayun, so far, okay naman yung whole cast.
So Kim, how different is your role here from all the other roles you've portrayed before?
Well, hindi naman gano'ng kalayo. Nasa 21 pa lang naman ako. So, yeah. Pero ayun nga, I had to act younger. I had to remember kung ano yung mga kinikilos ng isang 14 or 15-year-old boy. It's different kasi yung mga yung dating roles ko parang sobrang close lang din sa age ko, parang gano'n. And ito kasi tsaka ito kasing si Jumong din medyo emotional siya, kaya nung una medyo kinakabahan ako, medyo parang baka may puro iyak kasi hindi ko magawa, parang gano'n. Pero okay naman so far na internalize ko naman yung dapat kong ma-feel as Jumong.
If you were to describe your co-actors in one word, what would it be? Ayan, Kim. So let's start with Mr. Bong Revilla.
Mighty, yeah.
Rabia Mateo.
Universal. Pwede ba? Yeah.
Agree kami dyan. Sanya Lopez.
Beautiful. Yeah, just beautiful.
Oh, syempre. Ayan. So Kim, please invite all our kapuso to keep on supporting you at para abangan ang Book 2 ng Agimat ng Agila.
Okay, mga kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sana po ay tuloy-tuloy yan. At syempre, huwag niyo pong kalimutan, abangan ang Agimat ng Agila Book 2. Malapit na po yan. Maraming salamat po mga kapuso.
Tutok lang mga kapuso, mabalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, karong buntaga, maumaog yun nako og trabaho ang atong ila-ilahon. Pero garbo na nato siya mga Mindanawan, sanglit sa abroad siya, nahimong news anchor. Hala, sabay tang sayron ng iyang amazing journey. Atong ila-ilahon, si Sir April Ian Jacob nga tubong Iligan City, apan ana karon sa nasod Vietnam. Sir Ian, good morning and welcome din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka diha karon?
Good morning, Sir Cyril, o good morning sa tanang mga taga Mindanao, mga kapuso. So far, so good karong mga panahon na, sir.
Glad to hear that you are doing fine, Sir Ian, diya sa nasod Vietnam. Pero unang-una, syempre, curious good me sa imong life story. Tagay mi og backstory gamay kung si kinsa ba si April Ian Jacob. Asa nagdako og paunsa pod nakaabot diya sa nasod Vietnam?
Sir, actually, si Ian Jacob, usa na ka simple nga tao gikan sa Dakbayan sa Iligan. Graduate ko og AB English sa Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology. O sa akong pag-eskwela, dito ko naka-experience sa akong pagka-journalist. And I got here sa Vietnam adtong tuig 2018. I came here as a teacher, actually, ESL, English teacher. And 3 years na po ko dire, more than 3 years na. And then sa akong pagka-anchor recently, like last year lang yun, like last month of the year, wala gid na ako gidahom nga akong pagka-journalist di ay kaniadto sa Pilipinas, ako pang ma-apply diri. Kay all I thought nga I will be a teacher sa akong journey diri sa Vietnam. Hilom-hilom lang sa something like that. So,
Karon Sir Ian, usa ka na ka news anchor sa usa ka network diya sa Vietnam. Apan unsa ba ang storya ni ini? Paunsa ka nasulod sa maong trabaho?
Actually sir, sa akong pagka-journalist, nagsugod na gidaan pa sa Pilipinas. Katong elementary ko, nag-join ako mga school's press conference, isip po sa ka mamahayag. O sa ka writer, radio broadcaster, sa Iligan Palangdaan. And also, katong story na ako sa akong pag-anchor, sir, ang ilang gipangita gyud kay mga native ng mga English speakers. Katong gitawagan ko, ni-contact sila sa kuang forecasting. Life is full of surprises. Gi-contact na pud ko balik para sa training for me to be ready to be one of their newest news anchors.
Unsa ba ang nagtulak nimo nga nganong gikuha nimo kini nga career path?
Sa akong pagka-campus journalist before, sir, I think badto gid ako nakuha ang akong drive o inspiration. Gusto jud ko nga to be someone nga makita diha sa TV. Isa ra akong kinabuhi, so I wanna make it different. So, i-promise ko nga mag-news reporter jud ko pag-graduate na ako sa college. Pero it turned out na nag-teacher ko, which is, I think, would be the easiest path for me kay graduate ko kay English. So, wala na jud ko nag-expect nga makuha pa gyud ako ani nga role, nga trabaho sa akong kinabuhi.
Sa atong trabaho Sir Ian, unsa ba ang maingon nimo nga nakatsada ni ini nga nakadasig kanimo nga ipadayon bisan anaa ka sa langyaw nga lugar?
Actually ako, sir, nakatrabaho ko sa Philippine Information Agency before sa Pilipinas, I think for around 6 months. And moto siya akong probably the summit of my journalism career sa Pilipinas, wherein dagan tag mga programa sa gobyerno with regards sa fake news, misinformation, disinformation. And kaninga mga butanga, sir, muna nakapa-inspire sa kuha. It inspires me a lot to become a journalist. Kay kabalo ko, mga tao kinahanglan magayran sa unsay buhaton karon mga panahon na isip ko sa ka-teacher pod, importante kayo ang critical thinking.
Siyempre for sure daghan ang mibilib ug na-inspire sa imong storya karong buntaga Ian. Alang sa atong mga kapuso diri sa Mindanao, labi na sa mga Iliganon, basin aduna kay mensahe sa paglaom ngadto kanila.
Nag-start na jud ko sa usa ka quotation, sir, nga every great opportunity starts with the decision to try. Kung imo lang yung sulayan, you will not sleep bitaw sa gabi thinking I should have done it. What ifs? There are so many what ifs. So kung nakay pangandoy karon, do something for it. Buhata gid na para makabot nimo siya. So mo na siya ang first step. Never give up, be determined, and also be prepared.
Daghang diyang salamat April Ian Jacob sa pag-share sa imong storya dinhi sa At Home GMA Regional TV. Amping kanunay diya sa Vietnam ug more good things may come your way.
Thank you so much, Sir Cyril, ug sa tanan nga part ani nga programa sa GMA Regional TV. Daghang salamat sa opportunity.
Relax lang mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Pag-abot sa negosyo, dili gyud paulahi ang ato mga kapusong Chinese. Gani pipila kanila bata pa lang gitrain na unsaon pagpalambo sa ilang mga negosyo. Apan in this modern time, ang ato mga kapusong Chinese nag-venture na sab sa laing field of industry nga gitawag karon nga modern Chinoy. Sama na lamang sa atong makauban this morning nga usa ka former Churen o Chinese principal ug karon usa ka virtual artist ug teacher. Walay lain kundi si Patrick Chen. So sir, first of all, do you still follow mga Chinese traditions? And can you please tell us some of these?
Well, I'm not sure if this is called Chinese traditions, but we do celebrate Chinese New Year and the Mid-Autumn Festival. So for the Chinese New Year, we prepare certain food that are very, very popular already, like the nian cow or the tikoy, the fish. Now, fish is very important during the Chinese New Year because fish in Chinese is yi, and there is a saying in Chinese during the Chinese New Year, nian nian yu yi, which means every year you will be abundant. So the yi actually represent abundance. So that's why we have fish, and then the rounded fruits are there, and other stuff that are good for the table. Yeah.
Unsa po di mong maisip when you hear the term modern Chinoy?
Okay, modern Chinoy, I think it's someone who can express himself, especially with the elders, because traditional Chinese elders are the ones who will do the talking. But a modern Chinoy would be able to express himself in front of the elders, be able to compose himself and carry himself well. And I think not boxed up. Okay, not boxed up. That is also one character of being a modern Chinoy.
Sir, in terms of culture, unsa ang kalahian sa pure Chinese and Chinese Filipino?
Okay. Well, I have friends who are pure Chinese who are from the mainland, because when you say pure Chinese, they're really from the mainland, no? From the mainland or from Taiwan. Well, actually, they are more modern for me. Because Chinese Filipino is like a mix of Chinese and Filipino, so there are traditions to follow, no? And I think the Chinese Filipino families are more traditional than these pure Chinese, because I think they are becoming more and more practical when it comes to things. So if the tradition is practical, they will practice it, but if not, then they might not practice it, right? So I think that's the only difference.
So sir, what are the values or traits you uphold as a Chinese and at the same time as a Filipino?
Okay, I think it's more on the value of time. It's very important that that you think time as a precious aspect in life, because you cannot turn back time anymore. And I think that's one thing that I have learned mostly from the Chinese part, be very time efficient. Because if you're time efficient, everything will follow. You get to be hardworking, you get to respect other people's time, and you get to be more productive. Yeah.
Sir, may we know unsa imong pinagkakaabalahan this time?
Well, currently, because it's pandemic, not much things to do. But to divert myself from work, I go to the gym. That's the only thing. And probably have coffee outside or eat outside.
Sir, kasagaran sa mga Chinese into business gyud, but you decided to become a virtual artist and teacher. Nga part pod of being a modern Chinoy. Why is that, sir?
Well, I think it's mainly because of the opportunity. The opportunity is there, and it's kind of waste if I would just let it go. Well, being a teacher or being in this field is actually also interesting for me, because there's constant learning, and then the experiences are okay. You get to travel for free. You get to go to China, to Taiwan, and learn more cultures and learn about them. It's actually a good thing as well.
Sir Pat, kay successful man ka sa imong mga ginahimo karon, do you really believe in luck or hard work in finding your fortune and success?
Okay, definitely when you say success, it boils down to hard work. It's definitely hard work that pays off. However, if looking back, after you are successful, looking back, you get to see that, oh, I also got lucky somehow, right? But you cannot start success with just luck. Okay, you cannot depend on that. Luck is like something that you cannot control. You don't have any control, right? So you can just be a good person, and hope that the universe will give kindness back to you, and just do your thing. You just be hardworking. I think that's very, very important, and being mature and being positive in life. Luck will just happen.
Ayan sir, so message na lang nimo sa atong mga kapuso viewers, especially this Chinese New Year.
Since the pandemic, I hope we get to celebrate Chinese New Year in a more cautious way. No, we cannot be too careless inviting people or having a very big party because we especially Davao is having a surge right now, so we need to be very extra cautious. However, the point here is that, celebrating Chinese New Year is not about the food that you put on the table, or it's not about how big the party is, but it's actually like your own disposition in life, how positive you are and how hopeful you are. Are you hardworking or lazy? Those are the things that we need to really be more serious about instead of just preparing food or the traditions that you follow during the Chinese New Year. It boils down to being positive and hopeful. Yeah. And 恭喜发财，新年快乐。
Alright, dagang salamat kaayo Sir Patrick Chen sa time nga imong gihatag kanamo karong buntaga dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. May this year bring you more blessings, sir. Siya.
Okay.
Mga kapuso, dedikasyon nga mahimong hana sa imong napili nga craft ug pagpaningkamot sa kinabuhi. Kana gayod ang nahimong susi kung ano nakabot sa Iliganon nga si April Ian Jacob ang iyang pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Karon, living the dream gayud siya is a full-time teacher ug news anchor sa usa ka broadcasting network sa nasod Vietnam.
Samtang atong naila-ila ang modern Chinoy nga si Patrick Chen. Saysay niya nga more than luck, kinahanglan gyud ang hard work and patience aron nga mahimong successful sa tanang mga plans nimo sa kinabuhi. And sa Bistok, dako ang pasalamat ni kapuso artist Kim De Leon tungod nahatagan na sab siya og higayon nga mapakita iyang talento sa acting. Nang hinaut siya nga magpadayon ang pagsuporta sa mga kapuso viewers kaniya ug sa iyang upcoming series nga Agimat ng Agila Book 2.
Mga kapuso, unta na-inspire og nakakaton mo sa mga storya nato karong buntaga. Padayon kita sa atong mga plano sa kinabuhi and let's always seek for improvement. Sama na lamang aning panultihon, gikan kang David Frost. Don't aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. Mga kapuso, makita pagbalik ang atong episode pinagi sa pagbisita sa www.gmaregionaltv.com ug ayaw kalimot na mag-subscribe sa official YouTube channel sa GMA Regional TV.
See you tomorrow mga kapuso. Remember, always be hopeful and always smile. Ako si Sara Hilomen Velasco.
Kinisab si Cyril Chavez.
Buong puso para sa Pilipino.